You think it's just a cup of tea and skipping breakfast. But that tiny morning habit is silently expanding your waistline. Welcome to Wellness Health Services Health Talks. I'm Dr. Joshua Derito, a family physician. I have an interest in public health and cancer prevention and treatment. In this video, I'm going to expose the morning mistakes that are sabotaging your weight and what you can do starting now to fix them. You won't believe how small habits create big changes, both good and bad. So in this video, we are going to look at some of the morning habits that we have and why they matter, the top morning mistakes that lead us to weight gain, why morning routines affect our metabolism, what we need to change, and what are some of the best morning routines for weight loss, and how can you make a makeover of your morning routine. Let's dive in. Why do mornings matter? Your metabolism, your hormones, and willpower are all strongest in the morning. This is a very critical time as you start your day. A poor morning routine leads to fat storage and also to cravings, sluggish digestion all day, and also affect the way you think. So Harvard studies done have shown that people with structured mornings tend to maintain healthy weight better than those with chaotic starts. So let's look at some of the morning mistakes that we make that can lead to your weight gain. The first mistake, number one, skipping breakfast. Skipping breakfast increases your insulin resistance. It slows your metabolism and it triggers overeating later in the day. So when you think that you are trying to save on your calories, then you end up missing your breakfast, and this creates a situation whereby your body slows down, and out of this slowing down, you tend to increase your insulin resistance, and this will trigger bouts of overeating to compensate for what you lost in the morning. Unless you are very disciplined and you are able to work against the hormones, then missing your breakfast can lead to clashes in the course of the day. So you do not really lose calories, but you are risking getting into a crash. So if it's possible, then it would be good to have a good protein which is high in proteins. Then sugary drinks or tea with too much sugar. So your chai and mandazi, kobo, spikes your blood sugar and drops your energy levels by 10 a.m. When you take tea with sugar, take it with mandazi. Tea has sugar, mandazi has sugar, your glucose is high, your insulin is high, insulin working very hard to lower the sugar. By 10 you are very hungry, you are craving for more food. And the insulin also makes you store the fats. So your body is working to remove the excess sugar. Sugar in the morning leads to fat storage, and you are likely to gain weight. Then not taking water as the first thing in the morning. You wake up dehydrated after 7 hours of sleep. So your body needs water. So if you don't take water, then you slow your metabolism. Then you have fake hunger, because when you are thirsty, your body can mistake that with hunger, and releases the hunger hormones, which stimulates you to look for food. and you have abnormal cravings for food. And if you make a mistake, you take anything with sugar, then the craving is multiplied 2 times. Then mistake number 4, not moving. You wake up, you're on your seat, you are not moving anything. If when you wake up, even if it's starting with a few motions, doing a 5-minute exercise workup, it would help you very much. So sitting from the moment you wake up, keep your fat burning hormones like leptin and the adiponectin asleep. So if you wake up, you are sitting throughout, you do not move, then these abnormal hormones that are likely to increase your fat storage are released, and this makes it an opportunity for you to gain weight. Then mindless scrolling. You have just woken up from your bed, you do not know what to do, or even if you do not know, the temptation to start scrolling in your phone, looking at emails, looking at who has posted where, who has done what. When you start your day with your phone, you increase your levels of cortisol. Cortisol is a hormone that is secreted because of high energy requirements, like if you are stressed or if you are in a fight or flight mode. And this makes you store fat and makes it be stored around your belly and stimulate the secretion of insulin, again a hormone that stimulates fat storage. So a 2021 study in the International Journal of Obesity found that early eaters lost more weight than late eaters, even with the same calories. This is because of the hormone interplay that we have talked about. So it is important that if it is possible, you start with a good breakfast, a good moderate supply of proteins. And it has been found that skipping breakfast is linked with higher body mass index, heart diseases, and even insulin resistance. So cortisol is the highest in the morning, and if it is not managed, it leads to fat retention, especially in the abdominal areas, where you do not want fat to be at any given cost. So how do you manage this so that you do not gain weight unnecessarily? Eat a breakfast with a good supply of protein, fiber, and healthy fats. For example, you can eat eggs with avocado or oats, or sukuma with beans, and sweet potatoes. Sometimes people get surprised when I tell them that they can eat sweet potatoes with sukuma, but that is the best way to make the sweet potato to be slowly absorbed in your bloodstream, and you can add a protein like dengu or beans or even eggs. Then hydrate immediately you get out of bed. 1 to 2 glasses of water gives your body a jump start, and you can add lemon or apple soda or vinegar for gut support. This is a good way to start your day. Just a glass of water. You do not have to add the other things, but just taking a good plain cup of water the first thing you wake up, get out of bed, that will give your body a jump start. Then 10 to 15 minutes of movement. You can walk, you can stretch, you can do jumping jacks for 10 to 15 minutes. This helps you to control the hormones, especially cortisol, and bring them to manageable levels, and this will help you avoid storing excess fat in your belly. Then avoid sugar in your morning chai or porridge. That will help you avoid excess secretion of insulin and keep you well energized. Swap phone scrolling with morning prayer, gratitude journaling, or reading. Do not start with social media the first thing when you wake up. Before you get to social media, before you start scrolling, read something, read a motivational book, read a topic in your line of specialty, or even some area that you are developing yourself. Remember, the biggest power you can give to yourself is working on yourself. How do you work on yourself? Gaining more muscle, gaining more strength, be able to overcome life challenges is learning. Where do you learn from? You can learn from books, you can learn from the experience of others, you can learn from listening to podcasts. So there are so many opportunities to learn. So do not, you can also learn from your own life. When you look back and reflect on how you have been doing, what have you been doing well, you can improve on it. What have you been doing wrongly, and what can you do better tomorrow or today? So start with a calm, organized program and not chaos. So let's look at some of the best morning habits that can help you to lose your weight. 1. Wake up at the same time each day. The body loves rhythm a lot. Hydrate fast, a glass of water the first thing in the morning. Move your body. 15 minutes of jumping jacks could make a difference in your day. Eat within the first hour a healthy breakfast, rich in proteins, vegetables and fruits and whole grains. Practice gratitude or meditation, especially if you can start with a meditation for 15 to 30 minutes in the morning. It will direct your day. Plan your meals or snacks for the day, especially important the night before or even the week before. This will help you take charge of your week before it surprises you. Avoid sugary, highly processed breakfast. This will steal your energy and make you have unnecessary fats on your belly. So, can we make a 7-day morning makeover plan? The new habit that we want to establish. Drink 2 glasses of water before anything else. Add 10 minutes of morning walking or 10 minutes of morning jogs. Prepare a protein-rich breakfast. No sugar in your tea. No phone for the first 30 minutes after waking up. Meal preparation for the day before 9 a.m. Knowing what your meals will look like before the day begins. Combine all, journal, and then see what happens. So it is not the big things that will change your life, but it is small daily habits that shape our bodies and our health. If you are tired of unexplained weight gain, it is time that you fix your mornings. Like this video if you have learned something. Comment "I'm ready" if you are doing the 7-day challenge and start it now. Subscribe for more life-changing healthy tips every week. Thank you very much for watching. We meet in our next video.